Let's see how to pin the header in Wix. So, this one is a preview where the header is this one, where the menus are. And when we go down, it's not gonna follow you until here. So what we're going to do is we'll go back to editor and I'll let you see how to pin the header in here. So you just have to click the header, like this one, and let's go to more actions. And here in header scroll settings, we have to go and freeze the header. Click that freeze, and when we go to preview, the header is going to be pinned. This is the header, and see, it follows us all the way down here. And that's it. That's how to pin the header in Wix. See you soon!